Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to strike through in Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to strike through into Google Keep, you just simply have to open Keep Notes application, and after that you just simply have to open any of the list in order to strike through any text into Google Keeps, because you cannot use strike through into normal notes into Google Keep. If you want to use strike through into any normal mode, you have to use any of the third-party website which will provide the text and feature. Now into Google Keep, you just simply have to open any of the notes and just simply check the boxes, and after that your text will successfully be strike through. You just simply have to repeat the same process in order to strike through the text into Google Keep. This way you can easily do it into your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.